Hi, if you own a saltwater pool and you do your own repairs, or you're having a repair person do the repair on your pool, you need to know this. Saltwater pool shaft seals have to be saltwater proof. Okay, I've been using the Pentair saltwater all-purpose seal, which works for chlorine and salt, so-called salt. Doesn't specify it. I even called Pentair themselves, and they said, well, it's an all-purpose. They didn't say it works for salt. They say it didn't work for salt. Well, here's the problem. As you can see, there's rust here. This piece broke off here, basically sheared off because of the spring sticking. And as you can see here, there we go. There's the rust right there. You can see the rust inside this other part of the seal, the shaft seal. And this is very important to know that all saltwater pool owners should know. If you rebuild your pump, you should rebuild with a saltwater rated shaft seal. Okay, not just all-purpose. Okay, Pentair, I don't know why they sell their own stuff with that's all-purpose, and that's what I called the company directly. That's what they said. So that's WhisperFlo, Pentair, same company. It doesn't work. So I finally looked on Amazon and found this company right here, US Seal. Well, US Seal here does carry my seal in the size and the 5/8 that I need, and the correct type of part, but it is rated for salt water. Okay, this is very important. If you're going to install this, or you're going to have a technician install it, make sure he uses something that is salt water rated. And I know for sure US Seal is salt water rated. Okay, you can call them directly and you can ask your repair person, what kind of seal are you using? Who are you getting it from? You can research it yourself online to make sure that you're getting a saltwater seal for your saltwater pool. Okay, very important, because it won't last very long. These all-purpose seals last me about 2.5 to 3 years. I was getting sick and tired of replacing them. I'm like, why in the world are these things failing so quickly? You know, I'm not overrunning the pump. I'm not being abusive to it. I'm just running it. Okay, so I find out later that it's salt water. Salt water is tearing these things up. That's why they come out all nasty, corroded, rusted, broken, you name it. So this worked for me. Use saltwater seals on your shaft, on your pool pump.